The presidents of the European Commission have often repeated it in their speeches. The rule of law must be defended everywhere. But in practice, the situation is very different. Although it is the guardian of the treaties, the European Commission sometimes takes a very long time when it comes to launching infringement cases or enforcing court rulings. These are the findings of an investigation published by Investigate Europe on September 24. Currently, more than 1,500 infringement cases are open against member states accused of not enforcing EU law. However, Investigate Europe has identified 44 cases in which the Court of Justice of the European Union has determined in a first ruling that governments breach EU law and where no concrete measures have been taken to rectify these breaches. Despite this, the Commission has not yet gone to the court to request any fines, and some of these cases have been ongoing for over 20 years. The investigation also reveals another fact. Out of these 44 cases, 33 involve environmental protection. According to Investigate Europe, these cases take much longer to resolve than others. On average, it takes the Commission 12 years to address environmental cases, compared to 9 years for other cases. But why is the environment so neglected? Commission representatives claim that environmental cases are complex to manage, as a lot of information must be gathered. However, the authors of the investigation point to an increasingly politicized European Commission that lets governments off the hook.
For instance, the Commission may avoid legal action during national elections to prevent appearing to meddle.
According to the investigation, 15 countries are in breach through these 44 cases, sometimes for decades. Greece tops the list of member states guilty of environmental offences without any fines issued, with 7 convictions. This situation compromises the effectiveness of the institution and, according to Investigate Europe, costs the EU economy around 55 billion euros every year. So what can be done about it? The investigation mentions a few solutions to address the Commission's lack of action and transparency. For example, some suggest that the European Parliament could exercise more rigorous control over the Commission. Others even propose entrusting the management of infringements to an independent institution. But of course, such reforms would require strong political will from both member states and the Commission.